Is there a young person in your life, a grandchild, a son or daughter, niece, nephew, or someone else with whom you would like to recognize with your admiration, your love? Someone with whom you would like to share your wisdom, the experience of the lessons you've learned in life? If so, you might be interested in writing what I call a legacy letter. Every month, I lead a group of people through 5 steps towards writing a legacy letter, in which you recognize, you acknowledge someone special in your life, someone with whom you would like to share your thoughts, your reflections on life from where you stand, and to share with them. Some people pass on the letter now while they're still alive, and others choose to leave it behind as a gift after they've passed on. But whatever you decide, writing the letter is the first step. So join me. The dates and times of my workshop uh, will come at the end of this video. But join me, and I guarantee that within the hour or so that we're together, I will take you through the 5 steps, and you will have a letter by the end of the workshop. And that's the wonderful thing about it. And I'll follow you up to make sure that you've written it. And if you'd like, I'll even take a look at it and give you feedback on it as well. That's Writing Your Legacy Letter with me, Michael Williams, uh, an accredited end-of-life planning consultant and storyteller. Nothing I love better than people's life stories. So if you're interested in writing your own legacy letter to a loved one, follow the instructions at the end of this video. I look forward to seeing you. Thank you.